it is time to try out the seed snail. Some of the supplies you need: some fluffy dirt. I'm going to include some worm castings just because I'm out of town for a long time. I'm going to also, you can use rubber bands, but I'm going to use tape around the snail. When you're done, you need a bottom and you need a top, a dome. The bottom, you can eventually be watering from the bottom. Also, I'm going to be doing some peppers. So I'm putting them on a heat mat. So this is the best way that I can accomplish that. You need a piece of plastic. Also, the instructions, when I looked it up, because I'm seeing everybody do it either through plastic or foam or weed barrier cloth, lots of ways. Plastic won't let roots breathe. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. It's what I had. So I went ahead and got a piece of plastic. So I'm going to wet my dirt, hold the mold, add in the worm castings. Let's do that real quick. And we have a little bit of a hold the mold. I'm out of water. Let me go get a little bit more water. Mix it in real good. Done much better. The way this is supposed to work. Let me move these things out of the way. I'm going to line and then roll. I believe I'm supposed to line it the entire width, the whole width. Here we go. I do see some people are opening them up and adding compost as the roots are growing nice and beautiful and long. I have the worm castings that will help too. As I run out of room, I'm going to go ahead and start rolling it. So that I don't think we can mess this up. I'll probably add some to the very top. Let's see how this looks when it's fully round. I like how flat my surface is on this side. I'm going to actually sand it up like that, and I'll add dirt to the top. Let's do some tape. Rubber bands, probably better. This is what I have. Let's also do it this way. still feel like I have a better standing position right here. And maybe I used too much dirt. Let us do this. I have the top right there. Nobody's an expert at this, just give it a shot. I am trying to keep it divided around the plastic that I have. Okay. The goal is to get the roots to go down evenly so that when you unwind it, you don't have them crossing over. So, what I'm going to do is just make sure that I have a seed planted in between each one of these areas. And I can cut some of that off. Now I can distinguish between all of this. Okay, here we go. I did make some tags. Don't know if I even need to use them. Here we go. Starting with jalapeno. I'm going to start from the inside. Now, as far as how far apart to place them, really did not come across that information. So let's just put some seeds in, make sure they germinate, and make sure that they're growing down the plastic. Okay. So I followed, as you can see the seeds here, I just followed along the inside and then some right here, and made sure that that they were following along inside there as well, making that plastic separate. Okay, Anaheim. Not as many seeds in the Anaheim, so I ended around there. I'm going to start on the outer loop. I think that should be enough Anaheim peppers, if they all germinate and do well. Along the outer edge. Okay, let me add a little bit of soil on top. Now those seeds were carefully planted so that the dividing plastics stayed in place. So I don't think that I'm going to be crossing any barriers. And I'm going to add some vermiculite on top. For all of the fungus, now this is not a breathable, so I'm a little worried. I know that the bottom is, I know that we put it in plastic anyways. Let's just see how we do. Let's spray it in. That was a little rough. Again, don't be afraid to try something new. You could do it. Especially if this is, you find it's going to be absolutely a lot easier for you. It takes up less space. I probably planted maybe 20 seeds and I don't have a long flat seed tray to worry about. Once I have true leaves, I can water from below and from the top. I don't know. I think that you could just treat it the same way. It is a little bit tall, but okay. I'm going to go ahead and, because I'm going to have it on a heat mat. A little bit funny, but hey, it'll give me a little bit. You could probably put some plastic on top, some saran wrap also. But anyways, probably rubber band before you stand it up would be more successful. But it was fun. Let's see how this works out. Follow for more.